The best comedian in Byton Road, corner Samson Road.
Luis Pedroso!
I'm Luis Pedroso, and I'm adopted. I visited my mom recently, and she said that I was not really adopted. She said that I'm their real son. She said that they didn't want to tell me because they don't know how I would react. I would react fine, Mom. I've been searching for my parents for a long, long time. Kayo na pala yun. I hate you, Mom. My mom is insulares, mestiza. Ganda ng ilong. Ang ilong ko is like this. So, it did not help me, with my confidence. Plus my height. Di ba? On top of that, I don't have filter daw. When I was young and I'm a very, very low EQ. I was trying to date this girl. And she said her father left him when she was 10. Parang nasa theme park sila. The father just went out for chicken barbecue for everybody, never returned. And I said, I love chicken barbecue. Do you know where he went? We should find your father. I was coming over. Nag-scan ako sa Facebook. And there was this friend ko na binati niya yung girl who just parang finished college with honors. Sabi niya, congratulations, Gretchen. Job well done. Now, note this. Sabi niya pa, congratulations, job well done, and job well done to your parents as well. And I think that's nice, the name Gretchen. Now, Gretchen, you put her name on top, submit the resume, and the name Gretchen will sell itself. Di ba? Baliktad ng mga uncle and auntie ko who played around with the names of their kids. They have 5 kids, 4 boys and 1 girl. They name her Primero, Segundo, Tercero. Tercero, ang nickname niya, Thirdy, parang Thirdy Ravena. Quarturo, si Art, kabatch ko ng Samopua. And then the last one, they name her Mary. Sabi siguro nung uncle auntie ko, tigil na natin to. Nakakainis na. Can you imagine if they name her, so primero, segundo, tercero, cuarturo, and the girl, they name her Quintasia? Submit her resume, pagdating nun, pare, sayang, ganda sana. Why? What's her name? Quintasia? No, Quintasia is a name who thinks the customer is not always right. No, we're not hiring her. When I was in college, I was living with my lola. May lola kita? Yeah. Bago pa tinuro sa Mapua yung mga first in, first out, last in, first out sa cost accounting, alam na ng lola ko yan. She would arrange yung mga delata namin to expiration date. So ako naman, naaabangan ko ano yung pinakamasarap. Ay, corned beef. Lola! Lola! Noy, nagbibihis ako na. Lola! Lutuin na natin tong corned beef, Ay, patingin, Noy. Mag-expire na to sa Monday. Ay, patingin, Noy. Ay, di pa, Noy. Di ba walang pasok, 2 araw, tapos may holiday tayo. 7 business days pa to, Noy. Initin mo yung pork and beans din sa ref. Nakapag-init na ba kayong pork and beans? Durog na. Ako naman, para maubos na yung ulam, kuha ako ng kuha, madami. Para we can move on to the new ulam, di ba? Ay, magagalit si Lola. Sabi na, Noy, finish your food, Noy. Finish your food. Ang daming nagugutom sa Negros. Finish your food, Noy. Di ba yung daddy mo, kasi noon maraming calamity sa Negros nasa news. Di ba yung daddy mo, taga Negros yan? Finish your food, Noy. Ang daming nagugutom sa Negros. Kaya nung nagkaroon akong chance, umuwing Negros, malinis konsyensya ko. Sabi ko, day, toto jutay, inday dako. Nagutom ba kayo? I finished my food. Lola helped me. My Lola has passed away already. She's not with us. She left nung pandemic. I love my Lola and I know she loves me. Isa lang actually hindi namin napapagkasunduan eh. Pag nagsasaing siya, nasusunog. Pag nasusunog, ako sinisisi niya. Ako. Kasi dalawa lang kami. Noy, lagi mo akong pinapabayaan, Noy. Nasunog na naman ang sinaing ko. Ay, Lola, I'm watching TV. Watching TV. Hindi mo ba naamoy? Minsan nasa court ako, malayo. O basketball ako kasi babangkuin na naman ako ng coach. Tawag ka ng lola mo. Madja, Noy, Madja. Come here. Hindi ko. Madja. Lola, bakit? Lola. Ay, lagi mo akong pinapabayaan, Noy. Nasunog na naman ang sinaing. Ha? Lola, wala akong maamoy. Ang layo-layo ko, nandun ako sa court. Ay, hindi mo ba nakita yung usok? And finally, nagpunta na ako sa nag-dorm na ako sa Mapua. Sa may Lyceum. Telepono. Ha? Telepono, lola mo daw. Hello, Lola. Hello, Noy. Noy! Bakit, Lola? Pamira, Noy, nasunog na naman ang sinaing ko. Pinabayaan mo ako. Ay, Lola, layo-layo ko, nandito ako sa Manila. Nasa Pasig ka, wala akong makikitang usok. Ay, i-on mo ang TV. Punta ka sa channel 2. Sa news, nasusunog ang bahay ng mami mo. Natupok na. I'm semi-retired now. Retired na ako. And there are two things na ayoko nung retirement. Una, na ako tamad na ba? Tamad na. And what I hate most, yung mag-grocery ka, iikot ka sa supermarket, di ba? Paikot-ikot ka. So what I do is that pagpasok ko sa supermarket, naghahanap na lang akong cart na puno na. Tapos dinadala ko na sa counter. Tapos binabayaran ko na. Sinong magagalit? You should try that kasi makatikim pa kayong ibang ulam. Hindi niyo pa na-try. Oo. Sinong magagalit? Akin yan. Hindi pa kanya yan kasi hindi niya pa nababayaran. Ako nagpuno niyan. Pasensya ka na, Noy. Senior, cramps ba? Cramps. Senior na kasi. Ikaw na, bata ka pa naman, ikaw na lang ikot-ikot. Total, alam mo na. Alam mo na yung kung saan tong mga to. The other thing is, minsan malilimutin na tayo, di ba? Ganitong age. Hindi naman yung malilimutin that you're in the airport, may dala kang passport, may dala kang luggage, kabis ka, tapos hindi mo alam bakit ka nandun. Hindi naman ganun. Yung bang, you can't find your car. Simple things, di ba? Like we were in this theme park sa Florida, and not say what, it's Disney. 4 square miles of parking space. Can you imagine yan? 4 square miles. Kahit pinicturan mo yung wall, good luck kung mahanap mo yung car mo. So I started looking for my car. I couldn't find it. I went back. Kung saan ako nanggaling, I got lost. Pero sabi nila, if you get lost, just take off all your clothes. Because if you're naked, security will come. So security came, we looked for our car, we all got lost, they took off all your clothes, and we started singing YMCA. YMCA. No, they were just laughing. Laughing at me, actually. Ang liit.